St. Francis College, alma mater dear, honest as we prepare to spread our wings, to soar up high o'er sugar-coated fields, to sow the seeds of what God's ring must be. St. Francis College, seedbed of nations and God-loving families. St. Francis College, haven of earth's and sky's friendly citizens. St. Francis College, herald of people, equality, advocacies. St. Francis College, alma mater dear, as through your portals come and go, round sandals of loops and varied road, leaving markings on your walls, listings of no seal to bear your name. Alma mater dear, protect your children, keep us in your grace, and though we may be near or far away, forever Franciscans forever, forever Franciscans forever be.